ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा। So what is the lakshana for pratyaksha prama? Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam is the lakshana. But which Chaitanyam? Vritti Vishishta. Antakarana Vritti Vishishta Chaitanyam. And that Chaitanya aspect is what is the Ajnana remover. Okay. Then the question was, how do you say Antakarana Vritti is Jnanam? So what was the answer given? What was the answer given?
Antakarana-vrittau jnanatva-upacharat.
Antakarana-vrittau jnanatva upacharat. Jnanam is only upachara. So is said by who?
Siddhanta.
Vivrana.
Prakashatma.
Prakashatma. Okay, we'll continue further. Danu. So in the PDF that I shared with Tippani, it is on page number 17 in Tika. Nanu antakaranam na parinami niravayavatvāt akashavat iti anumanat antakaranasya parinamatmikaya vrittehe eva asambhavena tad vritti vishishtam chaitanyam jnanam iti vaktum ashakyattvena आत्मभिन्नम एवं ज्ञानम तच्च इंद्रियजन्यत्वात् प्रत्यक्षम इति नैयायिकः शंकते। अंतःकरणम, दिस इज अनुमानम, अंतःकरणम न परिणामी निरवयवत्वात् आकाशवत्। व्हाट इज हेतु?
निरवयवत्वम।
व्हाट इज व्याप्ति?
यत्र यत्र निरवयवत्वम तत्र तत्र न परिणामित्वम
और अपरिणामित्वम। यत्र यत्र निरवयवत्वम तत्र तत्र अपरिणामित्वम, अविकारित्वम। व्हाट इज प्रतिज्ञा?
अंतःकरणम न परिणामी निरवय।
No, only antakaranam na parinami. Up to that is pratigya. So he says antakaranam is niravayava. Niravayava vastu cannot be parinami. Like akasha. Akasha is niravayavam or savayavam?
निरवयवम।
Niravayavam. And is not parinami. Iti anumana. Antakaranasya parinatmikaya vrittehe. And you say this antakaranam has parinamatmika vritti. Then in that vritti there is Chaitanya Pratibimba. and that Chaitanya is called Jnanam, Pratyaksha Pramanam, Pratyaksha Prama. All this is not possible, Purvapakshi is saying. And he is Purvapakshi here is a Naiyayika. According to Nyaya, Manaha is Nitya or Anitya.
Anitya.
According to Nyaya,
Yeah.
Mana is
Nitya.
Anitya.
Nitya. Nitya.
Nitya.
Everything is Nitya for them. Prithvi, Jal, Teja, Vayu. Their Paramanus are Nitya. And rest of the Dravyas are all Nitya. So Antakaranasya Paranatmikayaha Vrittehe eva asambhavena. Vritti itself is not possible. Then Tad Vritti Vishishtam Chaitanyam Jnanam. Then you say this Vritti Vishishta Chaitanya means Chaitanya expressing in that Vritti, this is called Jnanam. Iti Bhaktum Ashakyattvena. This itself is not possible. Ashakyattvena Atma Bhinnam eva Jnanam. Tacha Indriya Janyatvat Pratyaksham. So, according to Nyaya, what is Jnanam? Jnanam has nothing to do with Atma. Atma Bhinnam, according to them. Atma Bhinnam eva Jnanam. And their definition is Indriyartha Pratyaksha Janya Jnanam. Right? According to them, Indriyartha Sannikarsha Janyam Jnanam Pratyaksham. Indriyartha Sannikarsha Janya Jnanam is Pratyaksham, or Jnana Akaranaka Jnanam is Pratyaksham. This is what they say. Iti Naiyayikaha Shankate. Third number Tippani. Naiyayikaihi Jnanasya Atmagunatvam Angikritam. According to Naiyayika, Jnanam is in Antakarana or is in Atma?
Atma.
In Atma. So Jnanasya Atmagunatvam Naiyayikaihi Angikritam. Vedanti bhistu vritti vishishta chaitanyam eva jnanam iti angikritam. And Vedantis means us. We say vritti vishishta chaitanyam is jnanam. Means this jnanam is upacharat. Mukhya jnanam is satyam jnanam anantam brahma. That is mukhya jnanam. That jnanam, when it is pratibimbita, that is aupacharika. Why? See, what is mukhya ananda? Mukhya ananda is Brahma. Vritti Vishishta Ananda is Anitya Ananda, is Dukkha Mishrita Ananda. Therefore, it is Upachara. So, any Satyam, Jnanam or Anandam with Vritti is secondary only. Without Vritti alone will be primary. Same thing is for Jnanam. Just as for Anandam, so is for Jnanam. वेदांति भिस्तु वृत्ति विशिष्ट चैतन्यमेव ज्ञानम इति अंगीकृतम तत्र अंतःकरणस्य निरवयवत्वात् अंतःकरण इज निरवयव तेनैव च परिणाम अभावात् निरवय वस्तु विल नॉट हैव परिणाम सो आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू what is said in Moolam itself is elaborated in Tika and in Tippani so that you read 2-3 times then samskaras are there clearly. Parinama Rupa Vrittehe Asambhava, and therefore Parinama Vritti itself is not possible. then tatascha tad vishishta chaitanya abhavat pratyaksh pramatva abhava. So vritti vishishta chaitanya is not there. What is vritti vishishta chaitanya according to Vedanti? What is vritti vishishta chaitanya? Vritti vishishta chaitanya is prama.
Bhasa.
The bhasa, but here it is prama. So pratyaksha prama. Pratyaksha pramatva abhava. Iti nishkarsha shankaya. This is the nishkarsha of the shanka. In Moolam now. Nanu. निरवयवस्य अंतःकरणस्य परिणात्मिका वृत्तिः कथम परिणामात्मिका वृत्तिः कथम सीटिका कथम मीन्स कथम अपि नास्ति इत्यर्थः देयर इज नो वे इट इज पॉसिबल अंतःकरणं निरवयवं न भवति इस सिद्धांति सादि द्रव्यत्वात् घटवत् इति अनुमानेन सो अंतःकरणं न निरवयवं सादित्वात् सादि द्रव्यत्वात् घटवत् यत्र यत्र सादि द्रव्यत्वं तत्र तत्र
न निरव अनिर
तत्र तत्र न निरवयवत्वं मीन्स तत्र तत्र सावयव न निरवयव मीन्स सावयव यत्र यत्र सादि द्रव्यत्वं तत्र तत्र सावयवत्वं सो घट it is used it is produced mritika acid as beginning antakarana is a material which has a beginning. If it has a beginning, it will be savayava. Antakarana utpatti is there. Is antakarana created or is it nitya?
Create.
as per
Antakarana is created. Is there any quotation which says antakarana is created? Shruti or Smriti? Are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes, Swamiji.
The quotation. Okay, we'll come to quotation. See further here.
एतस्मात् प्राणः मनस्लेवेन्द्रियाणि च मुण्डक
एतस्मात् जायते good. एतस्मात् जायते प्राणो मनः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि च. Anybody else has any quotation?
काम संकल्प विचिकित्सा सर्वं मनः.
कामसंकल्पचिकित्सा. Okay, let's see. इति अनुमानेन भवत् उक्त हेतोः असिद्धत्वेन सादिद्रव्यत्व हेतुना सिद्धेन सावयवत्वेन तत्परिणामित्व अनुमानात् तत्परिणामात्मिकायाः वृत्तेः संभवात् तद्विशिष्टम् आत्मचैतन्यम् एव ज्ञानं न तु तद् भिन्नम् इति आशयवान् परिहरति. So bhavat ukta hetoho asiddhatvena, whatever hetu that Purvapakshi gave, that hetu is asiddha. Purvapakshi hetu was niravayavatvam. Niravayavatvam is not there in antakarana. Antakarana is savayavam. Why? Sadi dravyatva hetuna siddham. Because it is a sadi dravya. सादि द्रव्यत्व हेतुना सिद्धेन सावयवत्वेन तत्परिणामित्व अनुमानात्. So because it is sadi dravya, it is savayava, therefore it is parinami. Tat parinamatmikaya vritti is possible. Antakarana is sadi dravya, therefore it is parinami. Parinamitva अंतःकरण वृत्ति is possible. अंतःकरण वृत्ति विशिष्ट चैतन्य is possible. Therefore प्रमा is possible. वृत्तेः संभवात् तद विशिष्टम आत्म चैतन्यमेव ज्ञानम न तो तद भिन्नम. Other than that, don't have your own idea of ज्ञानम. इति आशयवान सिद्धांति. आशयवान कहा सिद्धांति परिहरति. इत्थम, in this way. 1 number टिप्पणी on that page. तन मनो असृजत इत्यादि श्रुत्या मनसः सादित्व सिद्धि. This quotation is given in Moolam. Tan mano asrujata. Actually, the quotation is tan mano akuruta, not asrujata, akuruta. Brahadaranyaka 1:1. So that Hiranyagarbha created mind. In that way, you can take, because that quotation there is in that context. So manasaha saditvat. सादित्व सिद्धि. सादित्वेन हेतुना सावयवत्व सिद्धि. सादि then सादित्व हेतुना सावयवत्व सिद्धि. सिद्धेन सावयवत्व हेतुना परिणामित्व सिद्धि. So 3 things. First is it is sadi. Antakaranam has beginning, means it is utpannam. सादित्वात् सावयवत्वात् parinami. It has a beginning, therefore it has parts, therefore it is subject to modification. Beginning, parts, modification. Ato na sat pratipaksha. What is sat pratipaksha? What is sat pratipaksha?
यस्य साध्याभाव साधकं हेत्वन्तरं विद्यते.
यस्य साध्याभाव साधक हेत्वंतरम means, in simple words, what does it mean? One hetu is proving one sadhya. Another hetu is proving abhava of that same sadhya. What is the drishtanta for sat pratipaksha?
शब्दो नित्य श्रावणत्वात्
शब्दो नित्य श्रावणत्वात्. And then
शब्दो अनित्य कार्यत्वात्
शब्दो नित्य कृतकत्वात्. शब्दो नित्य श्रावणत्वात्. शब्दो अनित्य कृतकत्वात्. This is Sat Pratipaksh. One Anumanam is saying Shabda is Nitya. Another Anumanam is saying Shabda is Anitya. So here also we have to note this. So Siddhanti says it is not Sat Pratipaksha. Ato na Sat Pratipaksha. So Purvapakshi said Antakaranam is where was it? Antakaranam is na parinami because it is niravayava. Siddhanti said Antakaranam is not niravayava. See, when there is Sat Pratipaksha, then what will happen? Both of them are using two different hetus, proving Sadhya Abhava. Then you will have a question of which hetu is correct. But here he said it is not Sat Pratipaksha. Means what we are saying is not what you are saying. Antakaranam, Purvapakshi says, is not Parinami. Siddhanti said it is Parinami, but because of a different reasoning. How? Antakaranam is not Niravayavam, is Savayavam. Because it is Savayavam, therefore it is Parinami. Itham in Moolam now. Itham na tavad antakaranam niravayavam sadi dravyattvena savayavatvat. Antakaranam is not niravayavam. It is sadi dravyattvena savayavam. So sadi dravyam, it is a dravyam which has a beginning. How do you prove saditvam? Saditvam cha tan mano asrujata. Not tan mano asrujata. The other quotation you can, so this is Brahadaranyaka 1:1. Then etasmat jayate prano manah sarvendriyani cha tam vayurjyotirapah prithvi vishwasya dharini. Any other way to prove? This other quotation is also given. Vritti rupa jnanasya manodharmatve cha kamah sankalpo vichikits shraddha ashraddha bhirityetat sarvam mana eva iti shrutir manam pramanam. The shruti is pramanam to show vritti rupa jnana is manodharma. But manassaha saditvam you can prove also through Chandogya Shruti. Annamayam hi somya manaha, apomaya pranaha, tejomayi vak iti. So, mana is annamayam. Annamayam is sadi. Based on what you eat, that mind is formed. But this quotation, Brahadaranyaka and that Mundaka, they are direct quotation. Direct means they are directly telling mind is created. Tika. आत्मादौ व्यभिचार निरासाय सादी इति. If it is not given sadi dravya, niravayavam, if you give antakaranam na niravayavam, sadi dravyatve savayavattvat, means sadi dravyatve sati savayavattvat. So it is a dravya with beginning. Atma is jnana swarupa, but it is not sadi. So see what he has said there. Atmadau vyabhichara nirasaya. So in Siddhanti's anumanam, antakaranam niravayavam na bhavati. Sadi dravyatvat. If it was not said sadi, only dravyatvat, ghatavat, then dravyatva, according to Nyaya, Atma is also dravya. And their Atma is also savayava. So this is for Nayayika Atmado Vyavichara. For Vedanti, there is Vedanti Atma. See, for Vedanti, Antakarana Parinama with Chaitanya is Jnana. Atma is also Jnana. Both are Jnana. Atma is Jnanam, Antakarana Vritti Vishishta Chaitanyam is Jnana. But Antakarana Vritti Vishishta Chaitanyam is Sadi. Atma is not Sadi, Anadi. This is the Bheda. And therefore Atma is me. Rupadau Tadvaranaya Dravyatva. This is for Nyaya only. Rupadau. Because they, what is the first guna mentioned in the list? Rupa. Rupa, Rasa,
बंध स्पर्श
the Sparsha, then
संख्या परिमाण पृथक्त्व संयोग विभाग
then
परत्व अपरत्व गुरुत्व द्रवत्व स्नेह शब्द.
So Rupa is first. According to the list, Rupadi, when they say all gunas are included. So Rupadau Tad Varanaya. Tad Varanaya means Vyavichara Varanaya. Dravyatva. Anyway, this is more from Nayayika standpoint. From Vedanta standpoint, other than Atma, everything is Savayavam, everything is Parinami, everything is Anitya. Dravyatva. So Sadi Niravayam Sadi Dravyatvena. Okay, further Praman. Abhavat, not Praman Bhavat, Pramana Bhavat. ननु अंतःकरणस्य साधित्वे प्रमाणाभावात् विशेषण असिद्धः विशेषणासिद्धो हेतुः हेतु विशेषण असिद्धि प्रमाणाभावात् विशेषणासिद्धो हेतुः विशेषण असिद्धम् इति चेत् तत्साधित्वे तत्साधित्वे भगवत्याः फर्दर इन टीका तद ब्रह्म मनः अंतःकरणम् असृजत इत्यर्थः ब्रह्म is given here tad brahma
Swamiji, audio is breaking very often, Swamiji. You're not able to follow.
I can hear you very clearly.
Past 5 minutes, audio is very poor.
No, now it is clear. I changed the connection. So antakaranasya sadhitve praman abhavat, Purvapakshi said. Siddhant says antakarana is sadhi, there is pramanam. Bhagavatyaha shrutehe, Bhagavati shruti is pramana. Pramanatvat nityaha sadhitvam. Tad brahma manaha antakaranam asrujata ityarthaha. Brahma created antakaranam manaha. But Brahma means there the topic is not of Shuddha Brahma. It is Hiranyagarbha. एवं अंतःकरणस्य साधित्वे प्रमाणम उक्त्वा तत्परिणामित्वे न केवलम अनुमानम एवं प्रमाणम अपितु भगवती श्रुति ही अपि इत्याह भगवती श्रुति वृत्ति रूप ज्ञानस्य so this is the other pramanam वृत्ति रूप ज्ञानम is मनोधर्म मनोधर्मत्वे च कामः संकल्पो विचिकित्सा श्रद्धा श्रद्धा धृतिः अधृतिर् ह्रीर् भीर् इति एतत् सर्वं मन एव all of them are मनोविकार ज्ञानम is मनोधर्म ज्ञानम is मनोधर्म चकाराद अनुमान समुच्चय है so you have to do अनुमानम and श्रुति समुच्चय काम means इच्छा विचिकित्सा means संशयः ननु श्रुतौ संशयः अनुस्वार ननु श्रुतौ ज्ञानस्य अनुक्तत्वात् तस्य मनोधर्मत्वे श्रुतेः कथं मानता इति चेत् इन श्रुति ज्ञानस्य अनुक्तत्वात् Shruti doesn't speak about Jnanam, Manuktvatvat. तस्य मनोधर्मत्वे श्रुतेः कथं मानता? मनोधर्म, a Shruti which indicates Jnanam as manodharma. How that Shruti can be pramanam? Katham manata? Dhi shabdena iti. In Mulam, Dhi shabdena vritti rupa jnana avidhanat. Atayeva kamaderapi manodharmatvam. Dhi shabda. Where is Dhi shabda? Dhritihi adhritir hrihi dhihi. Dhi means jnana. Vritti rupa jnana. By Dhi shabda, vritti rupa jnanam is indicated. Jnana abhidhana. And therefore, kamadi are manodharma. Jnanam is also manodharma. So on page 17, everything is completed. That Mulam, Tika, all Tippanis. Now further in Tika, on page 18, Nanu. धी शब्दाभिहितं ज्ञानम अंतःकरणोपादानकम न भवति मानस प्रत्यक्षत्वात्. पूर्व पक्षी इज डूइंग अनुमानम. धी शब्द अभिहितं ज्ञानम अंतःकरणोपादानकम न भवति. धी शब्द अभिहितं ज्ञानम इज नॉट अंतःकरण उपादानकम. व्हाई? मानस प्रत्यक्षत्वात्. Because it is manasa pratyaksha. Manasa pratyaksha means, what is manasa pratyaksha?
Sakshibhasa.
No, manasa is not saksha. Manasa pratyaksha means, according to Nayayika, mind knows it. Mind will know through Atma. So according to them, Dhi is Jnanam. But that Jnanam is not having Antakaranam as its Upadanam. This Jnanam is arising from Atma Mana Sanyoga. That's why he says it is Manasa Pratyaksha. See, one is Indriya Pratyaksha, another is Manasa Pratyaksha. So according to Purva Pakshi, who is a Nayayika, what he is saying is Jnanam takes place in Atma. Jnanam takes place in Atma. Who will know? Manaha. Manasa Pratyaksha is that Jnanam. Siddhanti will say Jnanam is taking place in Antakarana. Who will know? Atma. Purvapakshi is saying Jnanam is taking place in Atma. Who will know? Mind. You see how Vedantin thinks and how other darshanas think. According to Vedanta, mind, Antakarana is where Jnanam takes place, or mind is where Jnanam takes place, and Atma illumines it. That's why we say it is known through Sakshi. It is not Sakshi Bhasya, but it is known through Sakshi. And they say, no. Knowledge is taking place in Atma. Mind will know. According to Nyaya, when Jnanam takes place in Atma, what is Asamvai Karanam?
Atma Mana Sanyoga.
Atma Mana Sanyoga is Asamvai Karanam. And what is Samvai Karanam?
Atma.
Atma. So you are able to hear properly. Manasa Pratyakshatvat. Nacha Shruti Virodha. We say Vedanta will say Shruti Virodha is there because Dhyanam is in mind according to Kama Sankalpa Vichikitsa. Manojanyatva Parataya api tad upapatte. Even if you say it is Manojanya, Shruti can still work. Iti ashankya. Mrit ghata ityadivat sarvam mana eva iti samanadhikaranya shrutehe. अनुपादान परत्व अनुपपत्या कामादेरपि तद उपादानकत्वात् दृष्टान्तस्य साध्य विकलत्वेन ज्ञानम् अंतःकरणोपादानकम् एव इत्याशयेन आह अतएव इति। मनोजन्य सर्वं मन एव। मृद्घट means clay is pot. Between them there is samanadhikaranya. Clay itself is pot. Gold is necklace. Mind is kama. Mind is jnana. Sarvam mana eva. This is samanadhikaranya shruti. Iti samanadhikaranya shrutehe anupadana paratva anupapatya. When there is samanadhikaranyam means between karya and karana, like mrit and ghata. Mrit is karana, ghata is karya. Between them, when samanadhikaranyam is used, one can be upadanam and the other is upadanam itself appearing in some vishesha namarupa. So therefore, samanadhikaranya shrutehe anupadana paratva anupapatti. Anupadanatva anupapatti means upadanatva upapatti. So mana will become upadanam for dhi. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Upadanatva is of mana. Jnanam is karyam. Mana is karanam. Upadanatva upapatti. Upatya kamadehe api tad upadanakatvat. Tad upadanakatvat. What is that?
Kana.
Mana. Kamadi are also mana upadanakatvat. Mano mana upadanam yasya tad mana upadanakatva. Mana upadanakaha. What is mana upadanakaha?
Kamadehe.
Kama.
Kamadi are mana upadanaka. Tasmat mana upadanakatvat. दृष्टान्तस्य साध्य विकलत्वेन इन पूर्व पक्षी अनुमानम दृष्टान्त साध्य विकलत्वेन ज्ञानम अंतःकरण उपादानकम एव साध्य विकल. व्हाट इज साध्य विकल?
In Drishtanta, Sadhya is not there.
In drishtanta sadhya is not there. That is sadhya vikala. So drishtanta Purvapakshi gave in his anumanam manasa. He didn't give drishtanta. धी शब्दावीतम ज्ञानम अंतःकरण उपादानकम न भवति मानस प्रत्यक्षत्वात् मनोजन्यत्वात्. So you can use that. साध्य विकलत्वेन ज्ञानम अंतःकरण उपादानकम. So ज्ञानम Purvapakshi said Jnanam Antakarana Upadanakam na. Siddhanti said Jnanam Antakarana Upadanakam eva. Iti ashayana. Atayeva कामादेरपि मनोधर्मत्वम कामादिया मनोधर्मः सामानाधिकरण्य श्रुतेः इत्यर्थः सामानाधिकरण्य श्रुति proves this. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.